डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आप सभी का स्वागत है हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल पर। और द नेम ऑफ दिस यूट्यूब चैनल इज ब्रिजेश मैथ्स। और अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, सो दिस इज माय डीप रिक्वेस्ट दैट फर्स्ट सब्सक्राइब दिस चैनल एंड वॉच द वीडियो एंड ऑल्सो प्रेस द बेल आइकन so that you can know the upcoming updates of this channel. And in this channel you will find out so many videos related to so many topics of class 9th, 10th, 11th and 12th, and also some videos will be related to your competitive exams. So all the best, God bless you and thank you. Now watch the videos. Dear students, today this video is based upon matrix multiplication. In study of the matrix or matrices, the multiplication of the two matrix is very important thing. Addition of the two matrix, subtraction of the two matrices is very simple thing. Just addition or subtraction or multiplication of a matrix with a scalar quantity means a कोई भी constant value 2, 3, 4. सो अगर उससे मैट्रिक्स मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है, दैट इज ऑल्सो वेरी सिंपल थिंग. बट द मैट्रिक्स मल्टीप्लिकेशन मीन्स मल्टीप्लिकेशन आर प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द टू मैट्रिसेस, ए टिपिकल थिंग इट इज. सो इन दिस वीडियो you will learn how to multiply two matrices and when the matrix multiplication is possible or not possible. मैट्रिक्स मल्टीप्लिकेशन हर केस में पॉसिबल नहीं है. कभी ऐसा भी होगा कि मैट्रिक्स मल्टीप्लिकेशन पॉसिबल ना हो. सो यू विल सी ऑल द कंडीशंस विद द हेल्प ऑफ सम एग्जांपल्स. एंड बिफोर स्टार्टिंग एनीथिंग, दिस इज माय काइंड रिक्वेस्ट दैट इफ यू हैव नॉट सब्सक्राइब्ड माय चैनल, so please subscribe the channel and also turn on the bell icon so that you can know the upcoming updates of this channel. Now see matrix multiplication. First you see the conditions, the definitions, after that some examples. See, two matrices A and B may be multiplied if number of columns in A is same as number of rows in B, and that multiplication will be AB. That will be AB. That product will be AB. That product will be AB. So two matrices A and B may be multiplied if number of columns in A is same as number of rows in B, and that product will be A into B. Means अगर आपको A into B फाइंड करना है, then number of columns in A should be equal to number of rows in B. A में जितने कॉलम हो उतने ही रोज B में हो, then you can find out A into B. Otherwise multiplication is not possible. This is the condition. So you will see some examples also. If the product is A and B, A is called the pre-multiplier. Pre-multiplier वो पहले लिखा है, therefore it is called the pre-multiplier, and B is called post-multiplier means वो बाद में लिखा है, then that is called post-multiplier. So in A into B, A is pre-multiplier and B is post-multiplier. The same thing I have written here. If A is matrix of order m by n, of order m by n means m rows and n columns, and B is matrix of order n by p means n rows and p columns, then their product AB is of order m by p. Now see, ये कंडीशन है. नंबर आप देखिए A में how many columns are in A? Number of columns in A is n. Number of rows in B is n. This m and n is equal thing. Then A into B is possible. और before multiplication ही you can know that what will be order of the result. Order of the result means AB का order क्या होगा, M ये फर्स्ट इसका और ये P और इसका लास्ट, मीन्स ये रोज और ये कॉलम्स. सो A is a matrix of the M by n columns. B is matrix of the order n by p, n rows, because this column and this rows are equal, so multiplication is possible and the product will be of order m by p. Then their product AB is of order m by p. If AB is possible, it is not necessary BA is also possible. मीन्स अगर AB पॉसिबल है तो ये दिस इज़ नॉट कंपल्सरी, या ये कोई ज़रूरी नहीं है कि BA भी पॉसिबल हो. AB का पॉसिबल होना या BA का पॉसिबल होना डिपेंड्स अपॉन दिस कंडीशन या दिस रूल ऑफ द मल्टीप्लिकेशन, मीन्स नंबर ऑफ कॉलम्स इन द प्री मल्टीप्लायर. ये दो वर्ड बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. नंबर ऑफ कॉलम्स इन द प्री मल्टीप्लायर शुड बी इक्वल टू नंबर ऑफ रोज इन द पोस्ट मल्टीप्लायर, चाहे AB हो या BA. सो इफ AB इज पॉसिबल, इट इज नॉट नेसेसरी BA इज ऑल्सो पॉसिबल, एंड AB इज नॉट इज इक्वल टू BA. अगर पॉसिबल हुई होगा सो AB की वैल्यू कुछ और आएगी, BA की वैल्यू कुछ और आएगी, मीन्स बोथ आर नॉट इक्वल. सो दिस वाज समथिंग अबाउट द मैट्रिक्स मल्टीप्लिकेशन. कब मैट्रिक्स मल्टीप्लिकेशन पॉसिबल है और कब मैट्रिक्स मल्टीप्लिकेशन पॉसिबल नहीं है. सो दिस वाज समथिंग डेफिनेशंस और उसके कंडीशंस. नाउ यू सी सम एग्जांपल्स. सो हियर इज एन एग्जांपल ऑफ प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द मैट्रिसेस, और क्वेश्चन हमने पहले से रखा है. सो बिफोर फिलिंग द एलिमेंट्स, फर्स्ट यू अंडरस्टैंड A is the matrix of order 3 by 3, B is the matrix of order 3 by 2, and we have to find out value of A into B, A multiplied by B. First you check that product is possible or not. Number of columns in A 3, number of rows in B 3. So number of columns in A is equal to number of rows in B. It means the product is possible. अब प्रोडक्ट इसका पॉसिबल है, बट जो प्रोडक्ट आएगा AB उसका ऑर्डर क्या होगा, दैट यू सी फर्स्ट नंबर दिस इज 3 एंड सेकेंड नंबर और लास्ट नंबर इज 2. सो ऑर्डर ऑफ दिस AB विल बी दिस 3 by 2. AB will be of 3 by 2. And before the multiplication you put roughly, you find out the elements A11, A12, A21, A22, A31 और A32. वैसे जो ये सब लिखा है that represent the elements. Then in case of the product, what is the importance of these elements? ये जो 11 है, ये 12 है जो लिखा है, वैसे तो इसका मतलब है 12 means this first row and सेकेंड कॉलम का एलिमेंट है, इसलिए वो 1 2 है. बट प्रोडक्ट में इसका क्या यूज है, दैट यू सी. सो फर्स्ट वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट A11. A11 इज इक्वल टू A11 मीन्स फर्स्ट रो इसके फर्स्ट कॉलम से मल्टीप्लाई होगा. जब भी मल्टीप्लाई होता है मैट्रिक्स, दैट इज रो बाय कॉलम मैट्रिक्स, रोज और मल्टीप्लाइड बाई कॉलम्स. तो इसका फर्स्ट रो लिया 2 1 3, वो इसके दोनों ही कॉलम से मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा, तब हम रो चेंज करेंगे. सो A11 मीन्स फर्स्ट रो फर्स्ट कॉलम. सो फर्स्ट रो फर्स्ट कॉलम 2 into 1, 2 into 1 प्लस 1 into 2, 1 into 2 और प्लस 3 into 4, 3 into 4. That is equal to 2 plus 2 and plus 3 4 are 12, and this is equal to 16. This is the value of A11. Now you find out A12 is equal to A12 means ये एलिमेंट, बट प्रोडक्ट के केस में यह है फर्स्ट रो एंड सेकेंड कॉलम. फर्स्ट रो मल्टीप्लाइड बाय सेकेंड कॉलम, तो 2 into -2, 2 into -2 plus 1 into 1, 1 into 1 and plus 3 into minus 3, 3 into minus 3, that is equal to minus 4 plus 1 minus 9. This equal to what? Minus 13 or plus 1 minus 12. Now you find out A21 equal to A21 अब वैसे रिप्रेजेंट करता है सेकेंड रो एंड फर्स्ट कॉलम का एलिमेंट, बट मल्टीप्लिकेशन के केस में ये है कि सेकेंड रो विल बी मल्टीप्लाइड बाई फर्स्ट कॉलम, सेकेंड रो विल बी मल्टीप्लाइड बाई फर्स्ट कॉलम द करेस्पॉन्डिंग एलिमेंट. 3 into 1, 3 into 1 प्लस 3 into 1 हो गया, प्लस माइनस 2 into 2, माइनस 2 into 2 एंड प्लस 1 into 4, 1 into 4, that is equal to 3 minus 4 plus 4, 4 and 4 will be cancelled, you will get 3. Then A22 is equal to 2 means second row will be multiplied by second column. 3 into minus 2, 3 into minus 2 plus minus 2 into 1, minus 2 into 1 और plus 1 into minus 3, 1 into minus 3. This is equal to minus 6, minus 2 and minus 3. That is equal to minus 11. Then A31. A31 means now the third row. Third row will be multiplied by first column. Third row, first column, minus 1 into 1, minus 1 into 1, plus 0 into 2, 0 into 2 and plus 1 into 4, 1 into 4. This is equal to minus 1, ये तो 0 हो गया, and plus 4 is equal to 3. Then A32 is equal to A32 third row second column, minus 1 into minus 2 ब्रैकेट में minus 1 into minus 2 plus 0 into 1, 0 into 1 and plus 1 into minus 3, 1 into minus 3. This is equal to 2 plus 0 or minus 3, that is equal to minus 1. So all the elements are here. Now you can find out the value A into B is equal to A into B. So fill the values. A11 16, A11 16, A11 is 16, A12 minus 12, A21 3, then minus 11, after that 3 and the last number is minus 1. So जो रेड में नंबर्स हैं वो फिल होंगे यहाँ पे. 16 minus 12, 3 minus 11 and 3 minus 1. That will be answer of this product, and order is 3 by 2. So this was the first example of the multiplication. Now you take some more. See the second one. So second question is very interesting. Only one row and one column is here. Second, we have to multiply a column matrix. Column matrix means only one column. 1, 2, 3. column matrix will be multiplied by row matrix 2, 3, 4. This one column and one row. So see, first to check product is possible or not possible. अब मल्टीप्लिकेशन फाइंड करना है, पॉसिबल होगा तभी फाइंड करना है. सो व्हाट इज ऑर्डर? 3 by 1. What are order of this one? 1 by 3. Number of columns in the pre-multiplier 1 is equal to number of rows in the post-multiplier 1. Both are equal. It means the product is possible. But very interesting, you see, what will be order of the result? Order of the result is 3 by 3. 3 by 3 वो सेल्फ वन रो और वन कॉलम के हैं, बट जब आप मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो उनका ऑर्डर होगा 3 by 3, मीन्स 3 रोज एंड 3 कॉलम्स. सो A11 ये कोई इम्पॉर्टेंट नहीं है इसको फिल करना, वो हम ऐसे कर लेते हैं A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32 and A33. Roughly we have filled these elements. Now we have to find out the value of these elements, after that answer. So first you find out A11 equal to, see, A11 means फर्स्ट रो फर्स्ट कॉलम. अब फर्स्ट रो में एक ही एलिमेंट है, फर्स्ट कॉलम में भी एक ही एलिमेंट है. सो 1 into 2, दिस इज इक्वल टू 2. देन A12 इक्वल टू, A12 इज, अब ये तो फिक्स है, रो फिक्स है, कॉलम केवल चेंज होगा 3. 1 into 3 दैट इज इक्वल टू 3 एंड A13 is equal to first row third column 1 into 4 that is equal to 4. Then you find out A21 equal to, A21 means, अब आइए सेकेंड रो पे, सेकेंड रो फर्स्ट कॉलम 2 into 2 that is equal to 4. A22 is equal to second row second column 2 into 3, this is equal to 6 and A23 equal to second row third column 2 into 4, this is equal to 8. Now see, A31 means third row, अब थर्ड रो पे आ गया और इसका फर्स्ट कॉलम 2, 3 into 2 is equal to 6. A32 is equal to third row second column 3 into 3 that is equal to 9 and A33 is equal to A33, 3 4 ja 3 into 4 that is equal to 12. So सब वैल्यू आ गई. नाउ यू हैव टू राइट द आंसर. सो व्हाट विल बी द आंसर? दिस रेड नंबर्स, दिस 2, that 3, then 4, this 6, then 8, then this 6, 9 and 12. So your answer of the product will be 2 3 4 4 6 8 4 6 8 and 6 9 12, 6 9 12. This is answer of order 3 by 3. So this was the second example. Now see one more product of different order. third example. But order will be different. So the third is we have to multiply a matrix. The first matrix I will take 1 minus 2 2 3. First is, and second is second is 1 2 3 1 2 3 2 3 1 2 3 1. We have to find out the product of these two matrices. See the order of the first one. Order of the first one is 2 rows and 2 columns, 2 by 2. This is 2 by 3. So number of rows in the first one is 2. Number of rows in the first is equal to number of columns in the first is equal to number of rows in the second, pre-multiplier or post-multiplier. So number of columns in the first one is equal to number of rows in the second one, both are equal. So your product is possible. But जो उसका आंसर आएगा वो किस ऑर्डर का होगा? That will be of order 2 by 3. 2 by 3 means 2 rows and 3 columns. So here that elements will be A11, A12, A13, then A21, A22 and A23. Now you find out the values. See, first find out A11. A11 equal to A11 means first row, first column. First row will be multiplied by first column. So 1 into 1 and plus minus 2 into minus 2. Minus 2 into 2. This is equal to 1 minus 4. That is equal to minus 3. Minus 3. Then A12 equal to A12 means first row and second column. 1 into 2 plus minus 2 into 3. Minus 2 into 3. What will be that? 2 minus 6 equal to minus 4. A13 is equal to first row and third column will be multiplied. 1 into 3 plus minus 2 into 1. This is equal to 3 minus 2 and this is equal to 1. First row is complete. Second A21. 21 means अब आइए second row. 2 into 1 plus 3 into 2. 3 into 2. That is equal to 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. A22 is equal to 2 means second row will be multiplied by second column. Second row will be multiplied by second column. 2 into 2 and plus 3 into 3. That is equal to 4 plus 9 is equal to 13. Then A23 equal to second row, third column. Second row, third column. 2 into 3 plus 3 into 1. 3 into 1 is equal to 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. So these are the values. So what values you have to fill in the answer? Minus 3, minus 4, 1, this is 8, 13 and 9. So answer means that product will be -3 -4 1 8 13 and 9. So this is the product of this multiplication. Order will be 2 by 3. This is your answer. So today in this video you have learned how to multiply two matrices of the different order. I hope all the concept, all the steps, all the calculations is clear to you. Then all the best. Thank you.